What's the meaning of arse-licking? Arse-licking. Arse-licking.
Arse-licking. Arse-licking. Arse-licking is a vulgar term that refers to excessively flattering or praising someone in order to gain favor or advantage. The person doing the arse-licking may do so in an insincere or exaggerated manner, often to the point of being obsequious. The result of arse-licking can be perceived as manipulative or dishonest, leading to a loss of trust and respect from others. In some cases, it may lead to short-term gains, but in the long run, it can damage one's reputation and relationships.